Hello guys, welcome back to Just Aviation and 2020. I hope you had a very good festive season, and yeah, so today we're going to be doing a dual unboxing, and that will be of two wide-body jets, which I won't specify as of now. I didn't get anything for Christmas, but I got the choice of having two aircraft, any of my choice, and I straight away went on to my hobby house and I got two models. I won't talk about too much about my hobby house because I talk about too much about it, but yeah, so yeah, let's get started. And here we are. As you can see, I've got an A380, and on the other side I've got the Boeing 747-400 freighter. And yeah, so I'll just take the bubble wrap off since I'm kind of over this entire bubble wrap montage thing. It's kind of weird, and there was a very few requests for me to do it, and when I mean by very few requests, I mean 0. So here are the two models. They look amazing. So here's the Boeing 747-400 freighter, sorry, and the Airbus A380-800. So I'm going to start off with the 747-400ERF freighter, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to move this one out, shot, and yeah, let's start. I'm going to start off with the box first. I really like the box and the colors of it. It looks really nice. So this is the China Cargo, which is a subsidiary of China Eastern, and yeah, so over here we have the digitalized image of the 747-400ERF freighter. You got the China Cargo branding, and you got the registration Bravo 2426. You've got 1:400 scale Platinum Series written on the bottom right. You've got Boeing trademark and 747 written over it again. And then if you switch over to the side, you've got the Heart of Aviation and the Phoenix logo. At the back you've got limited edition. Please tell me in the comments below why they have limited edition on the back. You've got China Cargo written again, the branding. Over here you have a Boeing officially licensed product at the bottom. And yeah, item number, rego, safety, licenses, and all that. So practically that's the model from the box. Personally, I really like the box, the colors work well with me, and yeah, so let's unbox it. Wow. Did not expect that. We've got the model here, but I also got this free keyring, Malaysian Airlines, in the old logo, which is very cool. I'll explore that later on, but let's get back to the model. So here's the model. I'll show you from the box what it looks like. Looks amazing, and yeah, so let's take the plastic off. I seem to become an expert on taking them off now. I'm pretty good at it. Well, I think so. Yeah. Plastic off, plain model out. Wow. This is very, very cool. Let me get that plane closer to you. Jeez, this thing is huge. It's very cool. So I'm going to give some background on the aircraft. So its registration's Bravo 2426. It runs on 4 General Electric CF6 engines. As of now, the 2nd of January 2020, the aircraft's 12 years and 1 month old. It was delivered on the 13th of September 2007, and it was delivered to China Cargo Airlines, the subsidiary of China Eastern Airlines. Yeah, so let's get on with the review of the aircraft. So I think this is just the aircraft itself. So here we have the nose. In reality, it opens up as a cargo door. You've got the cockpit. It's very small. I don't have a decent camera to show you, but it says SkyTeam logo there. You've got the service door. You've got a general cargo door. You've got the China Cargo branding. You've got the 3 windows, I guess, for the crew rest area. Moving on, you've got antenna at the top above the kind of iconic bump or hump of the plane. Alongside that, you've got the lights, the taxi lights. I think. Alongside that, you've got the 2 CF6 engines on the massive wing, and then on the winglet you've got the China Eastern logo. Moving on, I'll show you later that there's a registration on the wing, Bravo 2426. Again, behind the wing you've got the Boeing 747-400ERF freighter written in grey. I don't think you'll be able to see it from here. I hope to get a decent camera for you guys so you guys can see, but that'll take some time. Over here you've got a cargo door, another small cargo door, the registration of the aircraft, Bravo 2426, the horizontal stabilizers, the tail where it says has the China Eastern branding. Moving the plane along, you've got again the vertical stabilizers, not Bravo 2426, the APU exhaust pipes. Not very detailed, one say in a sense, but it's very nice though. On this back view you can see the aircraft registration, Bravo 2426, and the China Cargo branding in Chinese. You got the flaperon, the ailerons, etc. on the winglet itself, and yeah. Moving on to the other side of the aircraft, you practically have the exact same thing, except you've got much larger cargo door over here, another door, and yeah, that's basically the aircraft from the side. Oh, I forgot to mention the registration on the landing gear, and if I was to flip the plane over, you'll see the aircraft is very nice on the bottom with the landing gear and the registration also written underneath, as well as the Phoenix logo. And yeah, something that's not able to be shown is that it's got a light over here. It's red, and some other I'll tell you later. Yeah, so that's the China Cargo Airlines Boeing 747-400ERF freighter. I really I really love this model. It's a great model and I highly recommend it. It's made by Phoenix, and yeah, it's great. So out of 10 I'll give this model plane a 9, as it requires a little bit more detail and a bit of work on the APU exhaust. But I really like this model, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but the Boeing 747 is my favorite plane of all time. And yeah, so now we're going to move on to the Qatar Airbus A380-800. Over here we've got our Qatar Airbus A380-800. This is my very first A380, as well as my first Boeing 747-400 or 747 in general. I'm very excited. The livery on this aircraft looks exceptional. It's also made by Phoenix, so you know, a bit of a Phoenix Addict, but you know, hopefully I'll get a Gemini Jets aircraft sooner or later, hopefully. Yeah, so let's get started with the unboxing and review. Over here we have Airbus A380 and the Airbus logo. You got a digitalized picture of the A380, the Qatar logo and branding, the registration Alpha 78 Alpha Papa Echo, 1:400 scale Platinum series written on the bottom. You've got this maroon band along the bottom of the box. As well as that, you've got the Qatar tail logo on the side. Should be able to see. Across the other aircraft side of the box, you've got Qatar logo again, the Phoenix logo, the registration Alpha 7 Alpha Papa Echo. Also to mention this Qatar written in Arabic. Switching it around, you've got limited edition again. Why? You've got the Qatar logo again, branding Alpha 7 Alpha Papa Echo, the Phoenix logo, made in China, the warning section, the barcode number, and that's pretty much it from all sides. As well as, the side's pretty cool. It's got the digitalized image, and yeah. So let's start unboxing the aircraft. I noticed with both these models, it looks like the models have been already opened. So I was wondering why. It might be just because my hobby house left us a little bit of a gift. Doesn't seem with this aircraft. Wow, this A380 is huge. Here's the aircraft from the outside of the box. It looks pretty good. So yeah, let's get opening the box. Easy. Gonna take off this plastic sheet, which is actually very useful. Keeps the model in very good condition. So let's pull out the model. Jeez, this is huge. Here we go. The detail on this aircraft is exceptional. It's much lighter than the Gemini Jets one. I don't own one, but I've tried out Comrade Merck's one, and this is definitely lighter. Delivery on this aircraft is very good. The quality and detail is very good. And going off what Comrade Merck has said, Phoenix models are better and more detailed, which I certainly agree with them about. And yeah, so let's give some background on Alpha 7 Alpha Papa Echo. So it runs on 4 Engine Alliance GP7000s. It's 4.6 years old, so it's very new. It was delivered on 14th of January 15th, 2015, sorry, and it was delivered to Qatar Airways, which is based in Doha. Yeah, so let's start reviewing the aircraft. I believe this is the okay, so over here you have the cockpit. You've got the L1 door, the One World logo, which is the alliance of Qatar Airways. You've got the Qatar logo, lots and lots of windows. Other service doors. You've got just ordinary pipes. Can't say the word. What is it? Tell me in the comments what I'm trying to say. You've got the Wi-Fi box. You've got the wing. You've got the 2 engines on this side, on the massive wing, which have the Qatar branding on them. Looks very realistic and nice. The wingtip is painted maroon. Moving back, you can see more and more seats and windows and doors. Over here you've got Qatar written in Arabic. Moving along, you've got the Qatar flag, which is the home nation of Qatar Airways. You've got Alpha 7 Alpha Papa Echo written on the bottom. You've got the Qatar tail. You've got the horizontal stabilizers, and yeah, that's for this side. So moving along to the back, you've got the huge wings. Like, in comparison to a lot of aircraft, this aircraft's absolutely massive. You've got the APU exhaust. Once again, I think it needs a bit of work. In comparison to NG models, it's not that great. You've got the stabilizers, you've got the ailerons and slats, etc, etc, and the flaps. Yeah, you've covered the aircraft from here. From the top, it's not very detailed. Not detailed, I mean, yeah, it's nothing much to show, but there's two lights at the top here. You've got the, I can't remember the words. Finally, I've got again, we've got the Papa Echo written on the bottom, and as well as cargo, the cargo door for the A380. You switch to the bottom. The landing gear is very nice. The bottom's painted white with the Qatar written on it. I'm sorry I'm showing it upside down, but that's the position I can show you currently. Got Alpha 7 Alpha Papa Echo written over here. And yeah, the landing gear as well. And here's a view from the front of the aircraft, which looks very, very nice. I personally love the Qatar logo, especially on the A380. It looks amazing. It's probably the second best livery after the Qantas Silver Roo livery on the A380. And yeah, I really do like it. So out of 10, I'll give it a 9. So I'll give it the same result as the China Cargo. And because I'm a Boeing freak, not Boeing freak, sorry. Boeing's the best. So because I'm a Boeing fan, I'm going to say that the 747 is better. Yeah, so before I end this video, I'll give you a quick comparison in size. They're both massive planes and the two biggest model planes in my airport. I'll give you a lot of updates in the future. These aircraft will be featured on Comrade Merck's channel, so please check him out. Great YouTuber. Yeah, so I'd like to thank you for a great 2019, which was last year, and hopefully I'll have a great 2020. And yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'll hope to see you soon. Bye.